Hey everybody.
Jeff and Steph. Oh, we got some light there too. Awesome. Look at Jeff.
Oh,
yeah, we're standing in our bathroom. This is going to be an awesome video. Every video in the bathroom is awesome, right?
Yeah. So these glass shower doors, which is a 3-piece shower door, it's so lovely when you buy it. It looks just so nice and
it looks horrible after 2 showers.
looks horrible after 2 showers. Even if we squeegee it every time.
Yeah,
still.
it's really hard to clean and get all the soap scum off of it and keep it nice. And the tracks themselves are nasty all the time.
And if you live full time on the road,
Yeah.
this is really not an option. And I know a lot of people will keep this until hell freezes over, but we know a lot of people got rid of it, and it does look good, but we feel like it's just the biggest pain to have in this camper.
Yeah, we've actually
it's heavy.
We've strapped them twice with the hook, which I'll show you, and twice, you know, we've traveled a dozen times, and 2 times out of the dozen times, the little hooking mechanism that fits over the knob has popped off. So the doors are going back and forth and hitting.
As we're going down the road, they're just going bang, bang, bang.
And we are so blessed
Done
that
with them.
they are not broken everywhere,
Yeah.
because we've seen Facebook pages and posts where people's have just shattered everywhere. So we said, enough is enough. And if you hate glass shower doors as much as we do, give me a hell yeah in the comments, because these things are going bye-bye. And not to mention, they must weigh 100 pounds.
Well, they don't weigh 100, but they're heavy.
Do you think with all the bars?
No, the bars are aluminum. They don't weigh anything.
Okay.
But the glass, probably each pane is, I don't know, maybe 15 pounds or so.
It's a lot of extra weight.
Yeah.
So
it's weight we don't need, and they're just a pain in the ass.
Yeah. So we got ourselves a curtain rod bar and some curtains, and Jeff's going to take them apart today while we're at our campground and throw them in the dumpster.
In the dumpster, there you go.
The dumpster.
Thanks for saying dumpster.
Yeah. Yeah. So you ready to get to this? Show me that drill, baby. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about here. We used to have one of these handle divider pieces on this other end, and it actually came out, popped off, and this popped off, and it's all just been kind of a nightmare. You can see how filthy they are. We squeegee them after every shower. Look at those water spots.
Wash them. We're clean people.
Yeah, we wash them all the time. We're super neat. And this is like one of my OCD things. It is just yucky. So they are going bye-bye. So we're going to start by removing the frame. And there is just some screws in here you can see. It looks like there's 3 on each side. And then 1 down at the base. Look, the dogs want to go in the shower, Jeff. But you can see these tracks are so hard to clean. And I'm constantly cleaning them at least twice a week with a sponge or a toothbrush. And so we just don't want to deal with them anymore. Honey, Ziggy's in the shower with
Ziggy,
you.
let's go. Ziggy, out. This kid will not leave my side ever.
So cute.
Come on, Ziggy, let's go.
Now he's gonna get out of the shower. There you go. We're gonna have this weird angle and show you how we're gonna lift this out now that it's unscrewed.
So, and you're gonna have to go kind of straight back on. Pop it out.
Okay, it's popping.
Okay.
The cap's popping off the top too.
Okay, so you have to slide. Okay.
Your end's almost out. You probably want to go that way. You want to push it in and then lean it at an angle. There you go. There you go. Good. Now my side's going to come off. Good.
Okay.
Okay. Jeff's going to take off the side piece now because we can't get the top bar past it without removing the black cap around the shower panel.
Fit in there.
So there's a screw at the bottom along with a lot of silicone that's giving us trouble here. So we're trying to gently pry this off of the shower backing. Yeah, we got the 1 piece of aluminum off the side of the track. And the silicone just peels right off, it looks like. So that is awesome for us.
Bonus.
There will be a couple holes we have to plug, like right here and up higher, but we'll do that. So by removing the one side piece of aluminum, we were able to take the whole top out. The doors are attached to the top in a track, and then you have to lift them high enough to get them through the bottom slide tracks here. But now we have them out. So the only way to get them out now is to slide them out this end piece. So we're going to do that now. Okay, so now we can slide this top track off. And now we just have 3 very heavy doors. Are you telling me these don't weigh 100 pounds?
Let me see. I'm gonna find out. Okay.
Because I think they do.
Yeah, they might be 100 pounds.
I told you they're heavy. Yes. Yeah. So now we're going to put these in the dumpster here.
Dumpster.
Yeah, dumpster. And you have to remove the screw holding all 3 of the doors together in order to separate them and carry them individually. Now we're taking off the second track on the other side. And we just removed the bottom track. Ew!
It's all sawdust.
It is. It's sawdust and grime and whatnot. So we're going to have to scrape the silicone off that too and clean it up pretty. Good job, honey.
Thank you.
So Jeff and I are taking turns at cleaning the silicone off the side. And we were trying to scrape very gently with a butter knife as not to scratch it. But then we actually got out the magic eraser, and is that working pretty good?
That's working pretty good.
Yay! Yeah. So we'll try to get the rest of this cleaned up. So we got a new black towel rod, and it has the expansion ends that are supposed to hold it, but since we're going down the road in an RV, I decided to also purchase, oh yeah, they're called tension bars. I decided to actually get these also, and they have sticky on the back or screws or both, and they give it that extra support on the ends, so when you're bouncing down the road the curtain bar doesn't pop off. So I thought these would make a really good addition to this. The tension bar, shower curtain, and end caps were all purchased through Amazon. And if you're interested, just let me know, and I will send you that information. So we got these holders up for the curtain bar, and we used the sticky and the screws to hold it in place. And now for the shower curtain. Extreme close-up.
Jesus.
Shower curtain is up. Look at us, rock and roll. I added the weights to the bottom. No more doors to deal with. And we are ready to travel on down the road. If you guys want any help with this project.
And we're 100 pounds lighter.
And Jeff just yelled from the other room, we're 100 pounds lighter. Woohoo! So yay, it was a shower curtain adventure and we conquered. Ooh, I got some crazy hair going on here today.
Happy wife, happy life.
Even in RVs, you see how this works. So we got this lovely shower curtain, and we want to thank you guys for staying tuned and watching this. And again, if you have any questions or need some help doing this little DIY project, let us know. Jeff's the man.
Jeff and Steph's
excellent shower curtain adventure.
Oh yeah.
And now,
that's it.
Guess what the next thing is?
What is
wallpaper.
That? We're done today. It's 1 o'clock. That's it.
The wallpaper's the next adventure in here, you guys. Check it out. How cute is this? It matches the curtain. Okay.
Oh, brother.
Next time.
All right.
We'll see you soon.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys. Here's the finished bathroom redo. We got the shower curtain and bar up. All the trim work gone. And the piece de resistance. The new wallpaper. So I got that put up today too. We're loving it.